Have you heard about earning money by just processing emails? Well, today we are diving deep into a popular side hustle, email processing jobs. Is it worth your time or just another online gimmick? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to Profit Review HQ. If you are new here, I review trending online products and services so you don't have to take blind risks. If that sounds like your jam, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, now let's get into this email processing opportunity. What is email processing? Email processing jobs are advertised as a way to earn money by simply posting ads and replying to emails. Sounds easy, right? The idea is that you post pre-written ads on platforms like Instagram, TikTok or Craigslist. When someone responds to your ad and makes a purchase, you get a commission. The more ads you post, the higher your potential income. The attractive aspects are: first, passive income potential. Once you post the ads, they can work for you even when you are offline. Second, no experience required. Perfect for beginners looking to dip their toes into the online earning world. Third, step-by-step guidance. Resources like classifiedsubmissions.com claim to help you scale this business effectively. But wait, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let's talk about the potential downsides. First, initial investment. You might have to pay for resources like ad scripts or platform access. Second, no guaranteed results. Success depends heavily on the time and effort you put into posting ads and marketing yourself. Third, overhyped expectations. Some claims on these platforms may seem too good to be true, so stay realistic. So, is it worth it? I'd say if you're willing to learn and put in consistent effort, this could be a decent side hustle, but don't expect to get rich overnight. Treat it like a learning opportunity, especially if you're exploring online marketing. If you are interested in giving this a shot, I've got you covered. Use my exclusive link in the description below to access all the tools and resources to get started. Your support helps me continue making honest reviews like just this one. Thanks for watching today's reviews on Profit Review HQ. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more reviews. Let me know in the comments, would you try email processing jobs? Until next time, keep hustling smarter.